Check out my pomegranate tree. Super producer this year. Got a ton of pomegranates. Love these trees. They kind of grow funky with a bunch of trunks instead of on one solitary trunk usually. But then they produce some giant pomegranates. This one's kind of as big as my fist. This one's as big as my hand. You know, probably a pound or two on some of the larger ones because of this cluster. But then this tree is drought tolerant, so we barely water it. We barely fertilize it. We just throw a lot of compost and mulch so it creates its own kind of healthy soil. And that way we're not using liquid and human-made fertilizers. Trying to stick with the permaculture and the sustainability. But then you can see here it's kind of got this cool little leaf. Not a big leaf for a fruit tree. But yeah, it's low care and low water. And it grows relatively quickly. I think this one's 5 or 6 years old. And it's already maybe at 12 or 13 feet tall. We planted it from a 5-gallon. I think we bought it for like $25 at Home Depot. Tree like this, if you go to the nursery already, it's probably, a couple hundred to a couple thousand, depending what state you live in. California, this tree would probably be like 2,000. But I know somewhere on the East Coast, people plant them really cheaply. But my point is that if you buy them small, just be patient and you'll get yourself a really valuable and productive tree. There's not really much you need to do to pomegranates. Just need to give them a little bit of love. They'll produce for you. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how well mine is doing in my garden. Have a good one.